if you sell any kind of business or you do any kind of business on Instagram, I'm going to show you why and what method you could use to get and grow your business fast on Instagram. Hi, today I want to share with you how to create viral Instagram infographics using Canva. Welcome to my channel, Aksaka Cheche. In this channel, I talk about online business, income hacks, digital marketing, NFTs, and the metaverse. So please like this video and subscribe for more videos like this one. Here are the two main reasons why you should sell on Instagram. One, visuals are highly powerful. I mean, people love visuals a lot. Secondly, you're going to connect with Gen Zs, so people between the ages of 18 and 29. So that means that if the business you do involves people of this age range, you should be using Instagram very, very much. And I'll show you how in the next few minutes. Okay, and that is by creating what we call an infographic. Now, an infographic is a simple display of information. All right, it could be 5 steps for something. You mean just something great and amazing. I will show you how to do that using WhatsApp. I want to create a simple infographic about how to build your email list using the 5 tips that I just mentioned for you in the previous video, and I just gave a summary right now. Okay, so we head over to this search box and we search for infographic. Okay, because this is way much easier and more simpler to make when compared to say an ebook or something of that sort. Okay, so we're going to just scroll down here and find any of these simple plans, these free designs, and find something that works for us. And okay, so we could go with this. Okay, let's go with this, right? When we click on it, we are given the option to edit it. Okay, now I'm going to show you how to do this step by step. Okay, I'm going to scroll up. This currently this has about C 1, 2, 3, 4. I want to make it 5. Okay, I'm just going to okay, let's use 4, right? Okay, make this how to infographic looks like. If I scale it down, yep. So now the next thing we need to do is probably change the name of this to grow your list infographic. Yeah, and download. Okay, I want to go for PNG, and